Good day, people. Before I go to the Hymer meetup this week, we got an idle day this week, not much to do. Took Uma for a walk, went to Parker already, but I'm motivated to do something today, so I'm replacing the daytime running bulbs with LED bulbs. Hopefully they work and not give any error codes. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so the Canadian daytime running lights are on this long handled thing, and this whole housing got so hot on my old headlights that it just crumbled away, so the light bulb didn't stay in it anymore. So that's one of the reasons that I replaced the whole headlight assembly on both sides. But apparently LEDs run cooler, so I'm going to put an LED bulb in place of the halogen bulb and pray that it doesn't destroy this housing. Alright, so that's what the LED bulb looks like. And that's a halogen bulb. So hopefully this, like I said, runs a lot cooler. Well, it's working. But the problem is it's not compatible. It's given the daytime running light out. Well, at least I know. I guess I'll return those to Amazon and try some different ones. Damn. It said they were compatible on Amazon. Apparently not. So yeah, if you have a ProMaster, don't buy these LED lights for daytime running lights. Alright, now for my next project, which might fail again, but this plastic 90-degree stuff hiding the edge obviously broke right there, right in the middle. I'm gonna put the screws back in the same place. I don't want to be putting, hole after hole in this wood floor, obviously, because when I bought this black stuff, I got 3 pieces with it, so I can try 2 more times before it fails completely. I might have to go back to a aluminum threshold or whatever you want to call it, but I'm going to do the plastic one again for now. I'm going to clean it up a little bit for the Hymer meetup. All right, that's all done. Cleaned up, looks much better. I'm sure it's probably going to break again, but at least it's not cracked in the center anymore. All good. That's it for projects for the day. I think Dave and I, he's right behind me there, we're heading over to the Hymer meetup tomorrow. It's just like a mile up the road here. So yeah, that's probably the next time you'll see me. Good morning, Miss Uma. How are you? Are there going to be other doggies here for you to play with? You like doggies? Where are they? They're a whole bunch of little dogs. Well, welcome to the Hymer 2026 meetup. I think there's about half the vehicles here that are supposed to come. About 6 vans here right now. One of them's really cool. It's made up like a VW bus. I don't know if you can see that from here. I'll show it to you later. But you can see that one hiding behind the solar van. Yeah, pretty cool vinyl wrap he put on it, because they used to own a Westphalia. So yeah, just waiting for more people to get here, and made a new fire pit for everybody to fit around. And that's it. That's all I got for now. I'm going to make coffee and have some breakfast. Alright, so once most people finally rolled in, Sam, the unofficial Hymer whisperer, started fixing things on a few people's vans. No tools laid out, no panic, just Sam poking around and immediately knowing what was wrong. Nothing dramatic, just casual mechanical miracles happening in the middle of the desert like this is totally normal. After that, we went for an afternoon walk to stretch the legs and convince ourselves we're an active group of people. It was nice, quiet, and almost relaxing. So naturally, we wrapped up the day with the proper way, standing around the fire, drinks in hand, and solving exactly none of the world's problems. Alrighty, so I just got back from going to town. I had some mail there, and I wanted to pick up these to show the other Hymer people, but if you have a ProMaster, these are really good to have. You know what those are? I will show you in a second. Alright, so I got this thing off Amazon, and it's a 3D printed part, and it goes That goes down here somewhere. That little hole. Yeah, it goes like that. So now you're not getting long sticks and debris into your drain hole to clog it up so you don't get water in your engine bay. Yeah, I think that's definitely a good little thing to have. And I didn't know, but in the package they sent these smaller ones too. That if you have 2 drain holes, one is somewhere down there, and the other one's on that side. So I guess if you lost it, you can replace it with this little thing and just put the tube on the end of it, and you're good to go. Miss Uma sunbathing. Oh, you little girl. Alrighty, so this is probably the last day of the meetup. We had a mouse in the fire last night, which was kind of cool. Bizarre enough, we don't know how he got there because we just built that fire ring the day before, so must have been snacks on the floor for him or something. But we were on the last full day of the Hymer meetup. I think we're going to start off taking the dogs for a walk, and then we're going to come back and do some more fixes and mods on people's vans. And apparently tonight there's a Grateful Dead concert. Not the Grateful Dead, but a cover band just across the street. So we're going to check that out, which will be cool. Too bad I can't film it because it's Saturday and I'm having my video up tomorrow. So that'll be next week's video. But anyhow, let's get into the walk and some more mods. Alright, well, a few more mods were done today. Not much, it was just hanging out, enjoying each other's company. But I think that's it for the week. And we're going to the concert in a couple hours, so I got to make some dinner. And that's about it. So if you haven't already subscribed, I appreciate it. And we'll see you guys next time. Take care, guys. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, I'm going to Tucson next week finally to get my trimmer repaired. So I'll keep you guys updated on that one. See ya.